back to my channel. For my first time viewers, my name is Ritumeji Mateme, and this hair is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs and makeup. And if that's your thing, please do join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And my returning Reisons, thank you so much for tuning back again. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are my motivation. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I wanted to do like a really fun hair tutorial. So today's hairstyle is just like a side updo type of thing, and it has like a, I'm sure you guys saw the thumbnail, so you have visual, you saw the visuals of what I'm trying to do today. So what we are going to need, we are going to need styling gel, and I'm using, actually I could use all three. I have the Cantu styling gel, shea butter maximum hold, the soft and free styling gel. Is it also maximum hold? Yeah, maximum hold, and the Eco Styler. This one is definitely my first choice. It doesn't flake as much, it holds properly, and this one doesn't flake but it also doesn't hold, and I don't want to have it go to waste, so I'm just going to use this as the base and seal everything with this. And if I run out of this, then I'm going to use this. All right, so those are the products that I'm going to use. And then my utensils, I'm going to use the rectangle comb or parting comb if you were. I'm going to use a hairbrush and something for the edges, this or this. I will decide later on. And oh, sorry, I forgot rubber bands, because I want to do something like on the side, you guys will see. And yeah, I might need these to detangle my hair. First of all, I have freshly washed hair and I have leave-in conditioner in, so it's really moist. It's a moist kind of my hair is moist right now. And that's number one. Number two, for those of you guys that are new, I have 4A, between 4A and 4B type of hair. So if you're wondering, yeah, that's my type of hair, and I'm transitioning, as you guys can see, the thinner ends. You guys, look. Like, so I'm transitioning. I am about, this is a 12 month. So 1 year, 10 months, approaching 2 years, just under 2 years since I started with the transition. The last time I relaxed my hair was in February 2020. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do, if you see some white like a white particles in my hair, just note that it could be the leave-in conditioner or gray hair, guys, because I also have strands of gray hair, so don't panic. I'm first going to start with doing a part. Guys, I broke my hands-free mirror, so just bear with me if I go out of view. I'm just trying to see, because this thing seems to be a bit too far. I have parted this section over here, and I think there'll be three sections going up like this. So I have subsectioned this section. I made sure that I put some styling gel around the borders of the hair, or of the section, sorry. And then I'm going to just swoop take a rubber band, twist the hair like this, and then take the rubber band and use it like this. And then after putting the rubber band, take the hair, separate it into two, and push it down. Basically, I'm pushing down the rubber band, but not too tight, because it's going to go up like this. So I don't want it to what's this, to be too tight, because you want it to be comfortable as well, and you don't want to break the roots of the hair. You don't want to break the hair. Well, I'm going to do a part. Take the styling gel. I'm using the Soft and Free and apply it on the part, and then part the section like this. With this hair, I'm going to apply more styling gel around the borders of the hair. And I'm going to take this first hair, right? Apply styling gel on like this, and then do like a soft twist of the first section like this. Don't worry, the white residue disappears when it's dry, the residue from the styling gel. And then after doing a soft twist with the second section, I'm going to divide that into half right in the middle, and then I'm going to put this hair from the first subsection into the second subsection, and then kind of like join it with everything, but still making sure that everything is the parts show. And then take the rubber band, and then again take the hair, separate it into two, and push it down so it can be nice and tight and clean. And then basically do the same thing, and I'm just gonna do the rest of the section. I think it's going to be, oh no, it's just one. Oh yeah, so it's going to be 3 subsections, and yeah, so I'm just going to do the rest of the section off camera, and then I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, so when it's all said and done, this is how it looks. I think I wanted to do the back, but I think I'm just going to leave it. So this is how it looks on the side. All right, so now that I'm done with this part of the hair, I'm going to section my hair into 3 or 4 parts. And the reason, what I've realized is, the more my natural hair grows, the more sections it requires for me to sleek down the hair really, like to the T, to the gods. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to now section my hair in 3 or 4 parts. I'll just see. And with this side, with this part of the sectioning, I don't have to make sure that the line is straight because it will be covered anyway, if you know what I mean. So the first section, it's here at the back. I think this will go into 2 sections. So I've divided my hair into 3 sections, 1 at the back, 1 here at the side, and 1 in front. I'm going to start with this one at the side like this. So I'm going to take the Soft and Free styling gel, apply it on the pony for this young design over here. And as you can see, I'm just doing the twisting to maintain, you know, the same pattern. I'm going to tie it, not tie it, but really like pin it to the hair over here. All right, so I'm just going to now make sure that it's like deeply detangled so it doesn't create any bulges. It's as sleek as it can be. And with this part, I'm going to use a lot of ribbons, aka scrunchies. I'm going to go ahead with this cantu. So I'm going to apply this around the section generously. It's done, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do a braid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. So again, I'm gonna make sure that it's detangled. So I'm done with the back. So when I get up top here, I make sure that the section is braided up into these braids, just so my hair doesn't show when I put in the hairpiece. You guys will see it makes a huge difference. So here I'm good. I think I'm also going to divide this into two. It's like I said, it doesn't really matter. The line doesn't have to be straight because it will be covered up by the section on top. And I'm just going to make sure that this is out of the way. Now I'm using because I'm getting closer to the front, and this is, I feel like the soft and free holds better than the cantu. So I'm going to take the soft and free. The reason why actually also, the soft and free one doesn't really smell too great. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm taking the styling gel, applying it around the borders of the section that I'm about to lay down, both back and front. I'm going to take this brush and just make sure that this thing is going in the direction I want it to go. Just laying it down firstly with my hand. Let me see. Firstly with my hands, a brush, and make sure that it's sleeked down properly. Take the styling gel, apply it around the borders. Actually, let me leave out a bit for the edges. Then take the section, the hair that is unbraided, do a young braid. Now with these ones, I'm going to just wrap around like this. Take a ribbon to secure it. Alright, so right now I'm about to undo these big braids. The small ones I'm leaving out as they are. And yeah, so hopefully they came out as frizzy as I wanted it to be. So I'm not sure if I explained it properly. Okay, I think I've just explained that I took 3 packs of hairpiece. I braided it into 6 braids, 3 jumbo and 3 skinny. And after braiding it all up, I put it in boiling water for some time. And actually, like, I put it in longer than what I should have. By the time I remembered that I had to take them out, the water was already cold. But and yeah, so I soaked the braids essentially in hot water, and then the look that I'm trying to go for is a frizzy curl. So let's undo this and I'll come back with the frizzy ponytail. So it's giving me wavy over frizzy, which is fine still, and my 3 braids are still out here flourishing. So let's do this thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, like I said, this is the pantyhose, and I'm going to cover it like this and take the pantyhose, wrap around, just wrap around, and then when you get to the back, I'm gonna tie it. Tie once, tie twice. So this is how it looks. I think I'm gonna go and do my makeup now. Ooh, I don't like this. So let me fix my baby hair. Yes, so I'm about to go and do my makeup now, and I'll catch up with you guys later when I'm done with my makeup. But basically this is the style. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hey guys, so this is the final hair look. I'm feeling so cute. My gosh, I feel like a baddie. I feel like going to the club and just like dancing on my butt, like it's just bouncing on my seat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love, like, what? I love this a lot. Like, I am obsessed. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thank you so much for your continuous support, for those who keep returning. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.